Hello, my name is Trina and welcome to my channel. I garden in Zone 10. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today I would like to take you on my Greenstalk journey. I received my Greenstalks in May of 2023. My son bought it for me for Mother's Day. And I only grew a few things in the fall. So in 2024, I decided to do an experiment. I had several plants. I had ground cherries, marigolds, peppers, California wonder peppers. I had pimento peppers. I had tomatoes, Cherokee purple, just all sorts of things. Tomatillos. I had all strawberries are at the top. I had all sorts of plants. I started everything from seed indoors, and then I put them in my Greenstalk. This year I decided to buy the pest or insect covers. Let's look at my journey. Everything was looking beautiful. My strawberries, all the other plants, they were growing successfully. Until I had tomato hornworms. Rabbits came up and ate it because I removed the covers. And I know next year I'm not going to plant tomatoes in there. The tomatoes were growing, but I was doing a lot of irregular watering. So I had a lot of tomato enrod, snails, all kinds of little insects, because I removed that insect cover. So the insect cover worked until I removed it. And then other than that, it was successful. All of my problems were due to me, as far as the insects, rabbits, and irregular watering. My strawberries died because I wasn't out there watering, and I get a lot of sun on this side of my house. So I had my peppers were scalded because of that. So anyway, it works. The Greenstalk works. It's just we have to keep, or at least I have to keep up with watering, pest issues, and things like that. And sometimes I ignored it because I'm like, oh, it's beautiful, it's doing its thing, but I neglected it. So now we're in fall 2024, and it's time to start over. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment,